Today, we are here to introduce you to 6 most useful inventions that will change the world. So, here we go. Moley Robotics. We all know how much time consuming these days the cooking is. Therefore, Moley Robotics present you with the first robotic kitchen. Moley Robotics is a London-based robotics company. A computer scientist and the founder of Moley Robotics, M. Olenek, in April 2015 started working on a robotic kitchen to have good food with less or no skill of making it. The robotic kitchen was awarded the best of the best in the annual trade show in Shanghai, China in May 2015. This multifunctional kitchen is developed in such a way that it cooks for you and also tells you about the completion of any ingredient and also cleans the kitchen. Clients can select from over 5,000 recorded recipes that are present in the Moley Robotics library. This robotic kitchen will lessen your work as it has 2 broad versions, that is X Kitchen and R Kitchen. X Kitchen is a sensor-based smart equipment that can be upgraded to fully automatic robotic technology as per the request of the client, whereas our kitchen has a high-tech hands that can interact with most of the kitchen equipment. The cost of this advanced invention is approximately $338,000. External side airbag. Nowadays, accidents are one of the most common topics, though since 1990, airbags are being extensively used in vehicles in order to reduce the impact of accidents. ZF, that wasn't enough. They believe in more safety and therefore introduced the first external side airbags and tested on their test track in South Germany. German-based car parts manufacturing company ZF Friedrichshafen has introduced the first ever external airbags for vehicles. It can reduce the impact and damage of the crash. To make the decision regarding deploying and filling the airbag, the system has approximately 150 milliseconds. It reduces the risk of injury by 30%. At present, ZF is the only company that provides the full spectrum of integrated vehicle safety technology. Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics, founded in 1992, is best known for developing a series of dynamic, highly mobile robots. This includes Big Dog, Atlas, Spot, and Handle. Spot or Spot Mini is a 4-legged robot. Spot has only 25 kgs of weight and a height of 83 cm and can carry up to 14 kgs. The Spot is generally purchased for commercial use as well as by the police departments in order to attain remote visibility in a dangerous situation. Also, it is used by the police to inspect packages with hazardous materials or explosives, and the price of this Boston Dynamics is $74,500. Honda Walking Assist Device. The research and development of the Honda Walking Assist device began in the year 1999 by Honda Motor Company Limited, with an objective to provide effective walking to patients who suffered strokes or anything that affected their mobility, based on the inverted pendulum model. The device is a lightweight robotic exoskeleton weighing 2.7 kg and is adaptable to any body size. The device has 3 training modes, that is, the following mode that is based on the user's walking pattern. Symmetric mode relates to the motions like bending and extending both legs. Step mode enables smooth movement of shifting weight from heel to sole to toe. Laundry Jet. The first ever vacuum-based laundry transportation from any room to the laundry room with the help of ports installed is the Laundry Jet. It is the most convenient and safe way to transport laundry clothes from any room to the laundry room. The range of transporting clothes is about 200 feet. The activating and deactivating of the port is based on sensing technology. Therefore, it conserves power by consuming power only when the port is opened. Also, a return unit can be installed near the closet or within the closet where the clients desire the returning of clean laundry. These laundry jets are pretty expensive to buy, as it costs between $2,400 to $15,000. These are available according to their size as per your requirements. The walking wheel. Being inspired by a traditional walking stick, the walking wheel is being designed and introduced to assistive mobility. It can be used while walking in the form of a crutch, as well as it can be used as a supporter to lean on when standing. In both the modes, that is walking or standing, the grip can be attained by the user due to integrated pressure-sensitive brakes. It has the same diameter as the standard bicycle wheels, and according to different types of terrain and scenarios, that is casual walking to hiking, varying tread types can be fitted in the tire. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Share your reviews in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned till the next video. Thank you for watching.